Praise be to Jesus. Cardinal Burke. Francis risks a schism. Pope Francis cannot permit that a bishops' conference or an individual bishop does anything contrary to the doctrine and practice of the faith, Cardinal Raymond Burke said in a Gloria TV interview hosted by an Austrian philosopher, Thomas Stark. Burke called the proposal that German Protestants should be allowed to receive Holy Communion absurd. He hopes that Francis will correct this. Otherwise, the Roman Catholic Church ends up in a situation like the ever-multiplying Protestant denominations. Further, Burke commented on Francis's recent denying the existence of hell and the immortality of the human soul, noticing that there has not been a proper correction on the part of the Holy See. According to Burke, it would have been necessary to say that Francis reaffirms what the Church has always taught about the last things. According to Burke, the current situation in the Church runs the risk of a schism. Well, there's a video interview by Thomas Stark, the Austrian philosopher, with the Cardinal at the link in the description box. And as always, the Cardinal speaks very clearly and very forcefully about the need to maintain Catholic teaching and what the Catholic Church has always taught. So that'll be in the description box.